Hello, my name's Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular video tutorial shows you how to work the simple right-leaning double decrease in Double Knitted Brioche. Now this is the one which on the front of the fabric looks like a knit three together. And it is worked as follows. As you can see, I've already rearranged my next 3 pairs of stitches on the left needle so that they are sitting as knit, 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 purl, purl, purl. And the first step is, of course, to make sure my yarns are in the right place. Because I'm working double knitted brioche, I've got my knit coloured yarn at the back of the work and my pearl coloured yarn at the front. Step 1 then is to knit all 3 of those knit stitches together. This can be a little bit tricksy to get your needle in, but knit all 3 together, including all of those yarn overs. Just a normal knit 3 together, but there are 6 strands to play with. That's the first half of the decrease done, and I'm going to work my yarn over maneuvers. So take the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle, and bring it to the front, coming between the 2 needles. And then I bring the knit coloured yarn to the front of the work, also between the 2 needles. Now, because this second decrease needs to match up directly with the one that off of the front of the fabric, the corresponding decrease for a knit 3 together is a slip, slip, slip purl, and it is done like this. Slip 1 stitch and its yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, slip a 2nd stitch with its yarn over, also knitwise from the left needle to the right, and then slip a 3rd stitch, also knitwise, also with its yarn over, also from the left needle to the right, and then slip all 3 of those stitches, purlwise this time, back from the right needle to the left. And because it's purlwise, you can do this together or separately, whichever is easier for you. Now that all that's done is remount those stitches on the needle, so they're all with their yarn over sitting with the leading leg behind the needle. The final stage for this decrease is to go around the back with the right needle and purl all 3 of those stitches with their yarn overs together through the back leg using your pearl coloured yarn. So purl 3 together through the back legs, and then complete everything by taking the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. Investigating what we've done there, you can see we've got these 3 columns of knit stitches coming into one on the front, with the leftmost stitch sitting on the top, so very definitely leaning over to the right there. If we turn the work over, on the back, just as you'd expect, we've got these 3 blue columns of stitches coming together here. This time it's the rightmost stitch sitting on top, making this decrease lean to the left on this side, which is exactly as you would want. And that's all you need to know about how to work the simple right-leaning double decrease in Double Knitted Brioche. Zip!